Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down how to create a winning trading plan, all in glorious, squishy claymation. If you're just starting out, trading can seem like a wild roller coaster, but trust me, with a solid plan, you'll feel way more in control. So first things first, what even a trading plan? Think of it as your own personal roadmap. It's not just a list of random rules, it's a set of guidelines for when to buy, sell, or just sit tight. It keeps your emotions in check and your decisions consistent even when the market's acting like a toddler on a sugar rush. Alright, let's mold your plan. Step 1, define are you trading to build wealth for a side hustle or just for fun? Your goals should shape every move you make, write them down. Seriously, grab a sticky note and slap it on your monitor. Next, pick your playground. Day trading, swing trading, long-term investing. There's no right answer, but each one has its own rhythm. Decide how much time you can realistically commit, and pick a trading style that fits your life, not the other way around. Okay, step 3, risk management. This is the big one. Before you make any trade, know how much cash you're willing to lose. Most pros risk no more than 1 to 2% of their account on a single trade. That way, one bad day won't wipe you out. Now, let's talk setups. You need clear rules for entering and exiting trades. Maybe it's a simple moving average crossover or a price pattern you like. Whatever it is, write it down and stick to it. No more guessing or chasing shiny objects. Keep a trading journal. I know it sounds boring, but tracking your trades is like giving your clay characters a script. Jot down why you made each trade, how you felt, and what you learned. Over time, you'll spot patterns, good and bad, and keep leveling up. Finally, review. The market's always changing, so your plan should too. Set aside time each week or month to see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to tweak your plan, the best traders are always learning. So to wrap it up, a winning trading plan is like good claymation. It takes patience, practice, and a bit of creativity. But once you've got it, you'll be amazed at how much smoother your trading journey feels. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading tips. Until next time, happy trading.